Yo, I'm back playing more Clash. Now, we're running this deck again, bro. I feel like every time I lose, it's low-key a skill issue, bro. Like, there's certain matchups that are, like, cooked. Like, it's like, ooh, if I win that, I gotta be a GOAT. But I feel like a lot of times it's just a skill issue. And I just have to really think about what my opponent's gonna be playing, realistically, and think ahead. So, we're gonna try to do that. The problem is, I don't know that many decks. I know Log Bait, I know Hog Rider, I know some decks, but I really don't know that many decks. So it's like, this could be maybe Hogs, and that's about all I know, if I'm being honest. What I'm kind of hoping here is that my Inferno... Okay. I'm actually fine with that, because then we do this on top of him. And yeah, he can't really do anything against that right now. But yeah. Nice. Okay. Okay. That bar barrel does kind of, you know, foil my plans, but okay, he's running Hog. Playing up high lumberjack just to take that out. King Tower's gonna help defend. Alright, he still gets a hit, but it's all good. He does use cannon here. He is back to... hold on. I could do a little something with this, but let's chillax first, because if I go Loon, he's just gonna go... Is that necessarily even a bad thing, though? Fuck, I feel that. But if I go Loon, he's gonna go for... Hold on. Let's do it, because he has cannon. And once he goes Firecracker, I go arrows. Wait, does cannon full counter that? Ooh, that's not what I like. That's not what I like to see. That's crazy, actually. What the hell? Alright, he might go Hog Rider. Be careful. Defend that. I feel like he's ready to go Hog Rider, bro. He's... Oh, bro. Mighty Miner's such a solid champion, bro. Alright, we need to be ready for that arrows. Okay, never mind. Damn. I say we look, you just go in here. Fuck. Where are my arrows when I need them? Arrows. Yes! Yes! His tower's gone. There's no way. The Mighty Miner ability doesn't save him. Oh my god. That's so much damage. Okay, we scar me here. He doesn't have the ability just yet. Hold on. I did not mean to do whatever the hell I just did. Let's play Loon on this. Arrows. No, I activated King. No. Yes. Oh my god, that was such a good vines, bro. Because I messed up on the King, and if I didn't put the vines there, I'd have to get another push and connect again, because I don't think Loon would have taken it out. Oh my god, bro. That arrow's actually almost sold me. Oh wait, I didn't realize I get a golden step. I'm not mad about that. We'll take the golden step. Bro, okay. I completely forgot last video I was going to get a golden step. And that matchup fucked me. I don't know if you watched last video, but they had 4 anti-air cards. One of them being Electro Wizard, which basically means I'm fucked because, yeah, basically I'm not going to get anything done. And Firecracker, which basically means I'm also not going to get anything done. So, yeah, that matchup fucked me. And then the next match, I just failed. It was a beatdown. I failed. That's the problem with going against and playing beatdown. Any mistake loses you the game. Cycle, you can make some mistakes and you're not out of the game. Beatdown, you make a mistake, Evo, Inferno, Dragon, everything's on your tower. Golem, everything. Yeah, it's just, don't make a mistake, right? Okay. God damn, that dude is fucking eager as hell to answer that, bro. Oh my god. Wait, that's damage. Yeah, bro, he played the knight, like, directly at the bridge. Which just feels a little, like, aggressive. Like, bro, you can literally just wait, my guy. Did I play it too high? Yes. God damn it. Alright. So we're definitely going against some sort of log bait here. Let's go with the vine. Oh, actually, you probably should have just gone with Skarmy. Oh, okay. Thank God I didn't. Okay, Mini or King is going to help with that. I was actually going to go for a Skarmy there, but the princess made me not. And we're going to do it with that because, yeah, Goblin Gang. And then, oh, okay. That was actually a very nice knight from him. I won't lie. I was kind of hoping he would just not think and just put, like, the Goblin Gang into it. But, you know, he has a brain. We figured that out. Also, I don't have a brain because I played everything outside of King Tower's range. But also, I actually got way more damage than I thought I would have. So, he's going to play Goblin Barrel. We're going to Skarmy. And then he's going to play... Okay. Never mind. Anyways, we're going to try to get some, like, Vines value or something here. He's going to play Princess? No. Yes. Okay. I kind of want to... Yeah, let's just arrows all this. I think we have to Vines. Vines! I lost. Actually, I didn't lose yet, but I have no elixir, bro. And that's so... Oh my god. That's just annoying, bro. Okay. Lock in. What's his hand right now? He has Goblin Gang, Goblin... Okay, there's Goblin Gang. I think he has Goblin Barrel Firecracker. Yeah. Yep. We take this arrows, bro. We have to. Oh, no. We have to go for an up high. Are we? Oh, thank you. Oh, I actually would have been so upset. Oh, my God. Of course. Defend everything. Okay, hold on. Oh. Yes, Evo Skarmy, I love you. If I was a little quicker on that arrows, it could have been nasty. It still is. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go. 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 Just pour everything. All my elixir at the bridge. It connects. Yes. Oh my god. I feel like my predictions were kind of like spot on at some points. A little bit. But anyways, we're going to take this happily. I feel like the seasonal chests, they have higher chances of giving you higher stars, but the higher stars don't really give you a lot. Like, I got like a banner from it one time, and then I just, yeah. Anyways, I am one chest away from getting that, and yeah, we just need our clan to lock in on some crowns here. Still got 2 days, so basically I'm set for that. I think I'm going to play one more. Let's go. Let's go. Lock it in. Speak out loud. Think out loud is what I meant. You can't speak silently unless you're like whispering, but I would... Okay, let me just shut the hell up because I'm just like not making any sense. And okay, this is amazing. So we're going against like a hyper bait. Level 13, which tells me he got beat by this deck and then started using it. There's no way this is his main deck. Alright, Loki just fucked that shit up. Skeletons, thank you. I missed. If I didn't miss, I bet you that would be tower. Yes! Oh, those arrows actually just saved me from losing half my tower. Oh my god, bro. Nope, you're going over to the goblin cage to get diddied. Oh my god, bro. I can't believe I missed the vines on that guy, by the way. That was just sad, and that... I deserve the damage I've taken for that. Okay, let's just play you. God damn, I hate how much damage that thing does. Alright, so he played Goblin Gang. Okay, that's damage. That's actually a lot of damage. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so we're just going to let that all connect because I don't have a fucking building. Yeah. When you don't have a building, bro, you dead ass can't do anything. We're going to go in a little bit here because then he's going to play Dark Goblin. Unless he has Goblin Gang. Wait, does he have Goblin Gang? I think he has Goblin Gang. What the fuck? My screen recording just cut off. Are we serious? My phone is on silent, but my screen recording still cut off. Oh my god. Well, as you can see, I took his tower. I hope it started recording again. And if it didn't, Fuck everything. Okay, I think it's recording again. Oh, give me a break. My screen recording cut off. All right, let's just scar me on this. It's a little bit late, but I don't feel like taking all that damage. Okay, he's getting desperate. Yeah. He's getting mad desperate. Yeah, what the fuck is he doing? If he wins this, yeah, I deserve to stop playing this game. But, oh my god, that pisses me off. Like, why did that call... Oh, wait, what the fuck? I'm losing. Not on my watch. As long as he doesn't... Yeah, he lost. Okay. Perfect. I didn't want to mess up to where... Because he was taking my left tower, no matter what. And I didn't want to mess up to where... He took the tower and then went on to the other. Yeah, I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.